Hi, my name is Anil. What's your name?
I'm Nicole.
Nicole.
Yes.
Wow, that's very unique. Like,
Yeah.
I've never heard someone called Nicole. I've only heard a male person called Nicole. But this is unique. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, hi, Nicole. Where are you from?
I'm from Kenya.
Kenya.
Yes.
Okay, where does this Kenya come?
East Africa.
It's Africa.
Yes.
East Africa.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, what is famous in your place?
Marathons. My
Mara-
people are marathon runners. Yes.
Marathons.
Yes.
Okay, that is famous according to you.
Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite song?
My favorite song. I have so many. I can't decide. Currently,
Yeah, any one in specific if you want to choose.
Piano Man.
Piano Man.
Yes.
Okay. If I search, will I get that music?
Yes. It's by Brandy.
It's by Brandy.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So who's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor. Whew.
Anyone if you want to choose?
Well, I don't remember the name, but I know his character.
Okay.
Niklaus Nicholson for original Vampire Diaries. Yeah.
Vampire Diaries.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I've seen that Vampire Diaries. I'll search him. Okay. So how long it's been that you're in Bangalore?
3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
So what do you do for a living?
I study.
You're studying.
Yes.
Okay. What are you studying?
Bachelor in Computer Applications.
Okay, bachelor in computer application.
Yes.
So what do you want to become in future?
Data analyst.
The channelist.
Data analyst.
The channelist.
No, data analyst.
Data analyst. Oh
Yeah.
my God. See, this is the difference between you and us. So yeah, that's a good job, I think. So I wish you the best. So we'll start. You can give me anything. It's not a professional photo shoot. It's just a street photography. I'm just shooting the way you are. You can give me any poses you want, like random. It shouldn't be professional also. Something like this. If I get some more light now, I can do much better. See, this is how it's coming. But we'll try, different, places over here. So it's good, right? Yeah.
Someone who doesn't take photos.
Why don't you come with me? Yeah, you can stand over here. It's okay, yeah, you can enjoy the moment. Like, it isn't professional photo shoot. Something like this. With all the lights. You're just enjoying the moment. This actually comes pretty when I, give you the final edit. So yeah, we'll try some more. Over here. You're like, what the hell is going on?
No, I'm like, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, you don't know what to do. When people will start, commenting that, she's just enjoying the moment of posing. Yeah. Yeah, like, somewhere like, yes. You have a priceless smile, which is very, pure, very, very pure. Something over here. Yeah. It's good, right? Yes. So let me take one slow motion video of yours. Just walk towards the camera, okay? Your ramp. Yeah. Yeah, that actually came good. Come aside. See, over here. You really took the show. You knew where to, actually, give the piece mic and everything and all. So, yeah, thank you for that.